Structural engineers need to consider many design options to find the best matching solution in the shortest time to stay competitive on the market. Working on many design options can be very time-consuming, and this is a situation where Dynamo comes in handy and can be a great solution. In the early stages of structural design, structural engineers and designers can use Dynamo for Revit to interpret the architectural model in Revit, as well as create and explore the initial structural design. They create parametric-based structural models to easily generate and explore several design options to find the most optimal one. With parametric structural models, structural engineers can create and modify buildings more effectively than traditional hard-coded tools allow. They can quickly iterate and evaluate multiple building design options and build structures based on natural and mathematical principles. With Dynamo, the same approach can be used to create analytical models that are ready for structural analysis. Dynamo for Robot Structural Analysis enables the analysis of more design options, more complex structures, and more resilient structures. Based on the Dynamo geometry, structural engineers can create an analytical model, apply section shapes and boundary conditions, such as supports and releases. Engineers can also create structural load cases and automatically apply loads, which can be recalculated every time the structural geometry is changed. Once the analysis is done, structural engineers can review the results of the analysis in Robot Structural Analysis, or they can retrieve the results with Dynamo. Using Dynamo, structural engineers produce optimized designs faster, with an integrated design and analysis workflow that allows them to iterate through design options faster and more fluidly, enabling them to win more work and stay competitive.